Let's tie some horizontal double half hitch knots. Yes, it's a tongue twister and it sounds like something you do off a diving board, but it's simple. You have a cord that's your filler cord and you have cords that are your working cords. And here I'm showing you a filler cord all the way to the left that I'm holding toward the right to form where my line of knots is going to be. And I'm wrapping each working cord, starting with the one right next door to the right, and I'm wrapping it around that filler cord from the back to the front and up. Once I tie 2 knots with that cord, I move to the right and grab the cord next door and do the same thing, wrapping twice with each cord. Wrapping it from the back to the front and then up through that loop. Again, finishing up with one cord and moving to the next cord to the right. Another trick is to hold your filler cord as often as you can taut in your not working hand. That's going to help you determine which is your filler cord and which is your working cord. So here I've changed sides and I'm using the cord all the way to the right as my filler, and I'm using each cord to the left as my working cords. And I'm still wrapping from behind to the front and then up through the loop in the back, and I'm still wrapping twice with each cord. It's the same exercise, just a mirror image from right to left. Once I get to the bottom, I can choose which direction I would like to go for a point. If I'm making a V, I can just tie one more double half hitch knot here. Good, you did it.